to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon. And today we're going to have our weekly discussion of the current market conditions and any questions you might have about your TradeSpoon subscription. All right, so we'll talk about current market conditions and trade of the day. Disclosures. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. Let's first talk about short-term market conditions. So I'm looking at the stock forecast toolbox. Again, this is a model that's optimized to make short-term and long-term prediction. This is a 10-day prediction, so very sensitive to short-term price fluctuation. Basically seeing support at 395, overhead resistance is at 399, still a negative trend going into the next 10 days. We can see that the spiders sold off on the Snap earnings, and you can see a social media company and advertising company like Facebook and Google are selling off today due to the miss from Snap, and that's pulling the market below 395 level on S&P. Looking for the same model, looking at the 6 months prediction, similar picture. Model C 405 support, looking at the historical data. Each data point is here 1 month. We're going back to all the way to 1990. And overhead resistance at 453. Market is trading significantly below 405, right? About 20 points, 5% below. So that shows you that, again, as of right now, model is neutral on the market, long-term neutral. It does see that the market is oversold and potentially due to rebound to a 405 level. I agree with the market model. I think market is extremely oversold, right? We had week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 weeks of this downward momentum. I think market is due for at least 2 to 3 weeks of rally. But on the other hand, it's important to defend this level, 280. So if the QQQ is unable to hold on to the last week lows, 280, which we are testing today, then there is always a probability, because the VIX has never capitulated and VIX is still pretty complacent in relative terms, right? It's been trading, VIX been trading between 20 and 30. There's always a risk to retest on the downside. Whether this will happen or not, we just have to wait and see if the 380 level the 280 level will hold. The positive news is that the dollar continues to trade low, right? With second week in a row, significantly lower lows and lower highs, and that's bullish for the market. You do see that the value stocks are outperforming technology, almost 3 to 1. So majority of the stocks are holding on to their lows, and we just have to wait and see how the QQQ and semiconductors and high beta stocks perform the rest of the week. So short term, I'm bullish on the market. I think market is oversold, but there's always a chance of this downward breakdown as long as VIX is at 30 level. So in terms of trade of the day, I'm going with the copper FCX. I think weaker dollar that continues should benefit FCX. FCX pattern is constructive, and I think higher highs and higher lows, I would be a buyer into pullbacks on FCX. Market newsletter, we can find all of the, on daily basis, we provide updates on my view on the market, short-term, long-term, what strategies work in different sectors. And finally, we do have strategy roundtable. So please join us on Friday at 9:30 a.m. to talk about, it's a live session. We're going to talk about current market conditions, any questions you might have about your subscription, and what strategies work and what do not in the current market conditions. Also, we do have live, you can participate live on YouTube. If you go to YouTube and you search for TradeSpoon, you can subscribe to our channel, search for TradeSpoon, subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build our community, so please share it with your friends and family who are interested in trading, or if you're part of any forums where traders are, just click a link and share with your people who are interested in financial trading. Thank you very much and have a great day.